Welcome to the channel. And right away, let me tell you that most users only use one method to take a screenshot and don't even realize there's a more convenient option that can save you time. I'll show you that method, and I'll also explain how to take a long screenshot on the Samsung A27.so. You've probably just bought a Samsung Galaxy A27 and can't figure out how to take a screenshot. Don't worry, it's very simple. The first method is the most popular one. Open the screen you want to save, then press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. The important thing is not to hold them down. Just quickly press both buttons and release them immediately. If you did everything correctly, the screen will flash and a toolbar with additional options will appear at the bottom if pressing two buttons at the same time feels uncomfortable, especially when you're holding the phone with one hand. You can take screenshots using a palm swipe gesture instead. Simply swipe the edge of your hand across the screen from right to left or from left to right, and your Samsung will automatically capture a screenshot. Many people don't even know that this feature is already built into the phone, and here's another useful feature. If you need to save a long web page or a long list of messages, take a regular screenshot first, then tap the scroll capture icon that appears on the toolbar. Your phone will automatically scroll down the page and combine everything into one long screenshot. It's incredibly useful when you don't want to take 10 separate screenshots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.